Quick Review presents the 5 best ergonomic keyboard. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Kinesis Advantage 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. If you spend hours toiling over code, you'll want to invest in a high-quality keyboard that won't wreck your limbs. Enter the Kinesis Advantage 2. With its very unique design and versatility as a plug-and-play keyboard that works with all major operating systems. It'll cost you, but there's a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Similar to other keyboards, it has palm support and cushioned pads, but the Kinesis Advantage 2 stands out for its unique layout, specifically its thumb keys and the 20 degrees of tenting, which means that the keyboard can be raised. Keyboard enthusiasts will also appreciate the Cherry MX Brown mechanical switches, which are tactile, quiet, and durable. Plus, they require a lighter touch to activate, which is important for prolonged typing. What's more, programmers will find all of the customization and programming tools helpful for productivity. At number 4. Logitech MX K860. This latest ergonomic workhorse from Logitech has pulled out all the stops. Featuring much of the tech used in their vaunted wireless MX Keys keyboard, the MX Ergo K860 looks set to become the front-runner for wireless workplace keyboards. The split layout of this particular keyboard can present a slight learning curve for users who aren't fluent touch typists, but is easily one of the most comfortable and sleek keyboards available. The keyboard has both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity for either Windows or Mac OS and can reportedly operate for up to 2 years on just a single pair of AAA batteries. The long battery life is certainly a plus, but the lack of backlighting is a bit of a drag. The K860 features an integrated wrist rest that is among one of the most comfortable we've used. While it does provide excellent support and is something of a necessity with ergonomic keyboards, the inability to separate the wrist rest from the keyboard itself could present a problem if it ever wears out, forcing you to buy a new unit altogether. At number 3. Logitech MK550 Wireless Wave Keyboard and Mouse. This keyboard includes all the functions you need, plus it comes with a compatible mouse. Verified buyers say they appreciate that the mouse has laser functionality. You won't need to buy a mousepad. Not only is the perimeter of this keyboard shaped to allow hands to lie naturally, the keys wave up and down. According to verified reviews, that means an incredibly comfortable experience. The armrest is integrated into the keyboard. You never have to rearrange the rest. It's always positioned correctly. There's also some amazing battery life here, up to 3 years of it, according to reviews. This model works with PCs only. Setup is simple. Use the MK550 with any Windows PC from XP and Vista to Windows 10. At number 2. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard. A popular choice for years, the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic keyboard uses a split dome designed to create a more natural resting position for your wrists and forearms. Every detail, from the cushioned palm rest to the curved keys that mimic your finger shape, promotes comfort for those long workdays on the computer. Plus, the number pad is separate, so you can position it in a comfortable spot depending on how long you're typing for. Because using an alternative keyboard can be a bit of a learning curve, the Microsoft Sculpt is a solid, affordable choice for anyone new to ergonomics. At number 1. Perixx Perixx 612 Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard. The unique shape of this keyboard means less strain on wrists and fingers, according to enthusiastic reviews. It's split, with left and right sides angled to accommodate how your hands naturally lie. Verified reviewers say the look is different, but the comfort can't be beaten. They say it's ideal for those with carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injury, RSI. Choose either wireless or wired. Each of these comes in classic black or clean and modern white. The wireless version is conveniently Bluetooth ready. Function keys at the top of the keyboard work for both Mac and Windows. Pause play, adjust the volume, mute sounds and more.